Hi, I'm here today at Google I/O with Mike from E Entertainment. Mike, you want to introduce yourself and tell us a little bit about E Entertainment and what you've done or built for Android?
Sure. I'm Mike Waghalter. I'm Director of Business Development and Digital Media for E. Okay. And E is the world's largest provider of entertainment, information, and content through our cable network, which is available in over 95 million homes in the US. And we provide great programming like E-News, topical entertainment content, as well as reality shows like Girls Next Door and Keeping Up with the Kardashians, Kendra, our new show, which is premiering June 7th. And you know, we also have great shows like The Soup and Chelsea Lately, more comedy shows, topical comedy shows. We also have a 24/7 source for entertainment news and content online, eOnline, at eonline.com. And for Android, we've basically taken our web property, eOnline, and taken all the great content, the rich media content, everything from video clips from our shows to original topical video content property we have called eNews Now, which is really a 24/7, everything entertainment news as it's happening. We produce professional video segments about each story as it happens throughout the day, tapping into the resources of eNews to do so. So we have all that great content, including hundreds and hundreds of the latest photos of your favorite celebrities, as well as an editorial team that's covering the world of entertainment in Hollywood, writing stories throughout the day and updating to the site. We've taken all that great content and made it into a mobile application for Android that takes into account the unique mobile environment, the smaller form factor, but also the fact that it's an always-on-you device. Yep. So making sure that as we're updating in real time on our site, those updates are reflected on the mobile application as well.
So can you tell us maybe what led you to build something for Android, particular technical aspects of it, user interface features?
Sure. Actually, I can tell you, we've been in the mobile space since 2002, starting with a mobile WAP site, or mobile web now. Yep. And one of the reasons I think that we so readily embraced Android was because of its ability to handle both a slick user interface and the interaction is so intuitive for a user. I mean, it's really designed for anyone from a 7-year-old to a 70-year-old can easily figure it out without looking through a complex manual, which really hindered a lot of application development and just any kind of presentation of rich media on mobile devices in the past. So that was one of the first things that we liked about Android. We're very brand conscious at E, so we want to make sure that anything we put the E brand on, it represents the brand well, and it is slick and flashy. Obviously, the world of entertainment in Hollywood is very flashy, so we really wanted to put something together that for example, showed high-res, full-screen photos that we have. That has a very slick loading, fast loading video player, which we have with our Android app for eOnline. And then the second big factor was because it's an open source platform, it really the growth potential of the platform is limitless. We're already seeing multiple OEMs embracing it, building handsets. I think we're going to see multiple US carriers start to carry. Right now it's on T-Mobile. I suspect, without having any kind of insider information, I suspect we're going to see more carriers embrace it as well. So I think it provides a great opportunity for us to get increased distribution for our content and our brand.
That's great.
Yeah.
Are there any particular features of the platform? Because it's an open platform, because you can maybe access the underlying hardware, are there things you can do on Android that you might not be able to do on other similar mobile devices?
Sure. I mean, one of the things that really makes the mobile environment different from the typical PC environment is that your connection speed can vary depending on your location, depending on the number of other mobile customers that are hitting a particular local tower. So we wanted to be able to build an app that can monitor network conditions, and particularly for video, for serving rich media like video, be able to serve the cleanest video possible based on both network availability and the particular method of access at the moment. So whether or not you're using your Android handset via Wi-Fi, via 3G or 2.5G, we can serve up a different video that's a seamless experience to the end user, but that has the highest quality that the network allows at that moment.
Okay, that's great.
Yeah.
Well, thank you for coming out and talking to us.
Great, thanks for having us.
All right.
Great, thanks.